What's going on YouTube? MME here, and today we're looking at the iPhone 15. Let's get right into it. We are unboxing the black aluminum iPhone 15. Of course, Apple has reserved titanium for the Pro models. It's interesting the kind of gap they've built up over the years between the standard and Pro. They have finally switched to USB-C. It comes with a SIM card tool, manuals, and the classic Apple sticker. And now it's time for the peel. And here it is, coming in 1 gram lighter than the iPhone 14 and using the iPhone 14 Pro's A16 Bionic chip, the iPhone 15. Let's go ahead and turn it on right now. In all seriousness, it is a great phone, just has a lot of similarities with the iPhone 14 Pro, except for the 120 Hz refresh rate, meaning if you're scrolling or flicking through some apps, it might not be as smooth as the Pro models. However, there have been some reviews that have shown the back glass of the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max is more susceptible to shatter. This is a comparison of the 14 Pro in space black and the 15 in black side by side. The 14 Pro is the one with 3 cameras. And as you may notice, the 15 Pro has slightly more rounded corners. A lot of people are saying this is reminiscent of the iPhone 4. Now, these phones essentially have the same screen with the same brightness and resolution, but again, the 14 Pro has a higher refresh rate. The Pro models do have slightly smaller bezels, but essentially I would recommend this phone to anyone who has an iPhone that's a few years or older and looking for a brand new phone. However, if you do find a 14 Pro that's new or just slightly used at a much cheaper cost, then I might go down that route. The 15 does not have night mode portraits, Apple Pro RAW, or Pro Res, so if these are things that you really care about, then I would recommend going for the Pro models. Now, let me show you some of the pictures I was able to take with this phone. Keep in mind, none of these photos are edited. As you can see, essentially any new phone that you get will have a great quality camera, and you can make some edits to the pictures based on the style that you like. But yeah, this phone actually has the mute switch, while the Pro models have a button that you can toggle to use for other functions. It does smudge and catch some fingerprints. Let me know if you guys have any questions or any thoughts about the iPhone 15. I honestly think incremental updates and incremental upgrades is the name of the game these days. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Any support is greatly appreciated, whether that's a like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.